Hello everyone, today I will show you how we can auto-config Vim. We learn about how we set up a shortcut so that we don't need to type a long command again and again. And also we learn how can install a plugin in Vim. But the thing is that you need to research on the Google, you need to go to the forum and pose the question to ask about which plugin is good for your need and which plugin is still maintained. And also for the configurations, like when you finish to install Node.js, you need to have a lot of config for yourself. Like you need to create a shortcut for Node.js toggle and or Node.js file. Some like you need to put a config for some very basic things. So on the internet, we have a tool called vmbootstrap. With this tool, you just need to choose your languages, choose your framework, choose your color, and choose your editor. So after on, it will generate a file for you. So it will install a plugin. It will auto config everything for you. So let's try it. You open your web browser, type vim bootstrap. Okay, so you go to the vmbootstrap.com here. Okay, so now you will select your languages. I will select HTML, JavaScript, and PHP. I don't use these two frameworks, so I don't choose anything here. I will choose a Molokai them, and I will choose Vim. Okay, I will choose Vim. And lastly, I will click to the generate button. Okay, wait for a second. So it will download a generate because I also have a generator Vim in my file. So this just a duplicate of that. So I can use the generator Vim. Okay, so let's take a look what is in generate Vim. Okay, so you will see that this have Vim core. It means that it will auto install a Vim for us if we don't have Vim in our machine. And also it have a plugin to install. Can see that we have Node.js, Vim Node.js tab, Vim commentary, Vim airline, many more. For the HTML bundle, we have Emmet. In the JavaScript, we have Vim JavaScript syntax. In PHP, we have PHP actor, Vim PHP CS fixer. Scroll down a little bit, you will see some basic setup. So it will set a tab style for us. It will set a map leader. It will set hidden set about searching, and also it have many more things. So let's try to search nursery. So you will see here is also have a configurations for some basic command in nursery, like it will map the nursery toggle command to the F3. Okay, so it's really cool. So if you want to use this, you need to copy this one, copy the generate. You need to copy generate.vim here to your vimrc. Okay, so now you need to open your Vim. Then I will open my Vim and it's run something. It will try to install a Vimblad if it's Vimblad don't have in our machine. Okay, just continue, and it will install all the plugins in the vimrc. Okay, wait for a second. Okay, it's installing my plugins. Come on. Okay, sometimes little slow, so you need to be patient about this one. Just waiting for it. Come on. Okay, the other one is done. Okay, done. So it will also do something. As you can see here, it will long emit vim. Okay, nice. So I can, is something wrong, then I need to retry it. Okay, so everything is good now. Then I close this. Okay, so let's open Vim. Okay, so you can see that the color scheme here is different, and also I have a Vim airline here. It will show the mod of the Vim, the file name, and many more. So let's say that I want to open a index HTML, and I want to create an HTML file. Let's take a look at a vmrc first. So now find nursery. Okay, so if you want to toggle the nursery, you will press F3. So the same here. So let's try F3. Okay, it will open the nursery. F3 again. It's closed. Nice. So you can also change the win size here. So I want to change it to 30. Okay, save it. Open Vim again and F3. Okay, it's smaller. So that you, as you can see, it will auto configure everything for you. It generate everything for you. So you just need to open vmrc and learn how to use it. And in the case that you want to change it to your hobby, to your custom key, you always can do that. So let's I give you one more example that I want to use Emmet. So this one is plugin is you Emmet Vim. So you can go Emmet Vim. You can use to GitHub here. Okay, and you read the documentations and you can see that you can generate this one by typing this one. Okay, so let's try it. HTML colon 5 control y and comma. Okay, it's nice. So let's h1 my id my class control y comma. Nice. So that's how we can auto config our vim for development. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share to your friend. If you have any questions, please comment below. And if you don't want to miss my latest video, don't forget to click the subscribe button and the bell icon next to the subscribe button so that it will notify you when I publish a new videos. Thank you for watching. I hope that after this video you will know how to auto config your Vim so that you just need to download a file and start to coding, start to do something without spend a lot of time to config, spend a lot of time to find out the good plugin to install plugin. Thank you for watching.